The 420 Outrage is, as you'd expect from Boston Whaler, top-notch throughout. Starting with the helm, you'll find a high-performance steering wheel, joystick piloting for the quad Mercury Verados, including Precision Pilot and that handy Skyhook feature, triple 15.4-inch Raymarine displays, and triple captain and companion chairs. Whalers are ready for any condition, and the massive windshield will keep you comfortable. But if it's a hot day, there's a handy vent to give a nice breeze. The aft cockpit has access to the generator and filters and some storage, and when closed, you got plenty of room to fish all around the boat back here. Speaking of which, the deluxe leaning post and bait prep station is unreal. It features an electric grill and deep pressurized live well and a sink. Underneath, there's a 2.3 cubic foot fridge, a viewing window in the live well, and large drawers. There's storage built in all over the place, including in the coamings along the walk-around, and rod holders from the rocket launchers and outriggers to these ones up at the bow. Also at the bow is bench seating and a massive forward-facing lounger. While this is all about the outdoors and being out in the open, there is a good-sized cabin with pull-out settee, television, and small galley. There's also a roomy head with shower down here. The 420 Outrage delivers all the high-end fishing features, and built with the foam-filled construction they're famous for, this whaler is a quiet ride. And with those quad Mercs, this thing scoots, cruising in the low 30s and hitting a top speed of 50 miles per hour. And getting on plane in 10 seconds. The 420 Outrage isn't just the largest of the Boston Whaler family, it's their flagship model, and for good reason.